Hi everyone, in this video we can see how to draw an angry cartoon duck in MS Paint. First, I'll start with the rough outline of the head and the body. Next, I'll add the beak, make it long and curved so it looks like expressive. Now, let's add the wings, one hand on the side and other hand in the fist to show action. After that, I'll draw the legs and the feet. I'm making one foot forward like the duck is stomping. Then I'll draw the eyes and the eyebrows. Title the eyebrows instantly gives the duck an angry look. After finishing the rough sketch, we'll use the curve tool to draw the outline over the rough sketch. Finally, I'll add some shading to make the drawing pop, and that's it. Our angry cartoon duck in MS Paint is ready. If you really enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cartoonist and funniest MS Paint cartoon drawing tutorials.